So question 2a part 2 asks us to integrate this expression, and I'm not so good at integrating products, but because I've got an e here and an e here, I don't have to integrate a product. I can just simplify it first. So I use what I know about indices. I know that because they're both e, same base, I can write this as 6 times e to the power of x over 2 plus x over 4 dx. So this is the integral of 6e to the 3 over 4x dx. Now again, maybe I still don't know how to integrate this, but I do know that when I see a 3 over 4 e to the 3 over 4x, well, there's likely to be something to do with e to the 3 over 4x in the answer as well, in the integral. So what is it to do? So maybe I guess, just a guess, that the integral of e to the 3 over 4x is e to the 3 over 4x plus a constant, right? It seems a valid guess, so, what should I do? I should check my guess. So what happens if I differentiate e to the 3 over 4x? I don't have to worry about the plus c, because if I differentiate that, that's just going to become 0 because it's constant. So if I differentiate this, well, I'd get 3 over 4 e to the 3 over 4x. E stays the same, and then differentiating 3 over 4x, this 3/4 comes out the front. So now I know that this is wrong. This isn't quite right. And I still don't quite know how to do this, but I can tell you that the integral of 3 over 4 e to the 3 over 4x dx is going to be e to the 3 over 4x. And that's what I got from this. Integrate this right-hand side, you go back to the left-hand side. Because if you differentiate this left-hand side, you get the right-hand side. They undo one another. So how am I going to get there? Well, I don't have e to the 3 over 4x here. Well, I want it, so what am I going to do? Well, I'm just going to pretend I have it. I want to integrate 3 over 4 e to the 3 over 4x dx. But that means I've forgotten some of the stuff that I had. So I can't just forget it, and I can't just change things. So this 6, I need to make sure that still stays there. And because I've multiplied by 3 over 4, and I'm not allowed to just multiply by 3 over 4, I'm only allowed to multiply by 1. So I put in a 4 over 3 here. So this 4 over 3 and this 3 over 4 together, they combine and make 1. So I haven't actually changed this equation, this expression, but I have made it easier to integrate. So what do I do now? Well, I know what 6 times 4 over 3 is. 6 times 4 is 24, divided by 3 is 8. And I know how to integrate this now, thanks to these two expressions over here. This is just going to be e to the 3 over 4x. And then I should not forget my constant of integration. I am done.